Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into a machine that redefines luxury on the road. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. From its commanding presence to its state-of-the-art interior, the T2000 is built for those who demand power, comfort, and status all in one. Let's talk exterior. The 2025 T2000 keeps its signature aerodynamic design, but enhances it with bold chrome accents, a sleek grille, and futuristic LED headlights. The body is stretched and sculpted to accommodate the double-decker motorhome layout, and with 60 gleaming, chrome wheels under it, this beast rolls like a land yacht. Its glossy red and white paint job demands attention, and it absolutely gets it, whether it's pulling into a campground or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 diesel engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and a mountain-moving 2050 lb-ft of torque. That means smooth hauling, even when fully loaded with all your luxury amenities. Step inside, and you're greeted with a level of comfort rarely seen in the trucking world. The front cabin features a VIP cockpit, a digital dashboard with massive LCD screens, touch controls, and a white leather captain's seat with red stitching. It's like stepping into a private jet. Everything from navigation to climate control is at your fingertips, and the panoramic windshield offers unbeatable road views. Behind the cabin, the living space is pure luxury. The lower floor features a designer lounge, a compact kitchen with marble surfaces, and a private bathroom complete with a glass shower and chrome fixtures. Head upstairs, and you'll find a spacious bedroom with a king-size bed, soft lighting, and full-length tinted windows that give you a view of the stars at night. With smart home integration, solar panels on the roof, and an advanced power management system, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is ready for the long haul, off-grid or on the open road. If you're dreaming of a life where performance meets opulence, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, where machines come alive.